How many times have you thrown these little bags straight into the trash? I did it thousands of times, until I realized I was literally throwing gold away. Stay until the end, because today you're going to discover 8 silica gel tricks that save you time, money, and a lot of frustration. Let's kick things off with the one everyone dreads: dropping your phone in water. Instead of panicking, place it inside an airtight container and surround it with every silica gel pouch you can find. Leave it sealed for 24 to 48 hours. The pouches pull moisture out from deep inside the components, and because silica gel can absorb up to 40% of its own weight in water, it dries places normal air can't reach, rescuing Face ID, speakers, and sensors before they corrode. And speaking of moisture sneaking into places you don't want it, your windshield is another victim. Place 5 or 6 pouches on your dashboard near the glass, and just leave them there. Every time you step into the car, the interior stays dry enough to keep the windshield clear. Silica gel traps the humidity inside the cabin before it settles on the cold surface. Now, if moisture can fog glass, imagine what it does inside your gym bag. You open it, and poof, instant regret. Drop 3 or 4 pouches inside the main compartment, the shoe section, and wherever you toss sweaty clothes. Silica gel absorbs the dampness bacteria need to multiply, stopping odors before they form and leaving your bag fresh instead of frightening. And while we're talking about humidity haunting your daily life, your salt. It clumps, hardens, and suddenly you're smacking the shaker like a maraca. Slip a tiny pouch inside the container, and the salt stays loose and smooth. Silica gel absorbs the moisture before the salt does, making it perfect not only for salt, but sugar, spices, and any powder that hates humidity. That same trapped moisture is also the reason your stored clothes sometimes smell closed or slightly musty. Add 2 or 3 pouches to your drawers, especially for seasonal clothes you don't touch for months, and even place 1 inside jacket pockets. Silica gel prevents micromold from forming on the fibers, keeping everything crisp, fresh, and protected. And since we're on the topic of freshness, let's talk about cheese, one of the foods that spoils the fastest in humid environments. Store it in a sealed glass container and tape 1 or 2 silica gel bags to the lid so they never touch the food. The pouches regulate the moisture inside the container, slowing mold growth and making cheese last 2 or 3 times longer. It works beautifully with sausages and bread too. If humidity can ruin food, imagine what it does to books. Pages wrinkle, yellow, and stick together. Place silica gel pouches on your shelves, between books, or even inside volumes you rarely open. They stabilize moisture in the air, protecting the paper and keeping your books flat, clean, and smelling like new instead of attic. Here's a trick metal lovers will appreciate. Toss 1 or 2 pouches in your cutlery drawer. Silica gel keeps humidity low enough to stop oxidation, preventing rust and tarnish so your stainless steel or silverware stays shiny for years. Which of these are you trying first? Tell me in the comments.